Students, Sai Ram. Are you ready to give the dictation test of EVS 1 lesson number 3, storage of water? I hope you have taken a notebook and a pencil and rubber is there in your hand. Okay, and so we are going to start the dictation. Now what you are going to do first is have a look. Look at this slide. You have to write the heading as EVS 1 lesson number 3 dictation, underline it and write today's date. Okay, after writing the heading and the date, you are going to write the numbers 1 to 10. So I am going to give you a total of 10 words for your dictation. So now numbers, you can write 5 on the left hand side, 5 on the right hand side on one page, or you can write one below the other. Okay, and leave a line and write so that it looks neat and tidy. Okay, so I'll give you I'll wait for 5 minutes, or I'll count on to 5 and you be ready with the heading, with the date and the numbers. Okay, so here I start. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, I hope you are ready, steady, and let us start the dictation. Okay, now your first word is, listen to me very carefully. I am going to repeat each word 3 times. How many times? 3 times. So be very careful. Okay, first one is depleted. Your first word is depleted. Depleted. Okay, now your second word is seeps. 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 Over. Now your third word is economically. Economically. Third word is economically. Okay, now fourth word is reservoirs. Reservoirs. Fourth word is reservoirs. Fifth word, bunds. Bunds. Fifth word is bunds. Okay, first 5 over. Now sixth one. Okay, your sixth word is pohora. 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 Done. Now seventh word is earthen. 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 Now eighth word is panpoi. 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 Now the ninth word is electricity. Electricity. Ninth word is electricity. And the last word, that is the 10th word, is institutions. 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 Okay, here we complete our dictation. Now I'll just tell all the words one time. You just check whether you have written it properly or no according to the numbers. Okay, your first word is depleted. Second word is seeps. Third word is economically. Fourth word is reservoirs. Fifth word is bunds. Sixth word is pohra. Seventh word is earthen. Eighth word is panpoi. Ninth word is electricity. And 10th one, that is the last one, is institutions. Okay. Now what are you going to do? You are going to check whether you have written the words properly or no. Now I am going to show you one each word. Now if it is wrong, you do it wrong, and besides it you write the correct word, and you do the correction of that word 3 times. Okay, how many times you will do the correction? 3 times. So each word I am going to show you the spelling of each word now, of all the 10 words. If it is right, give it a right. If it is wrong, give it wrong, and besides that wrong word, write the correct word. Okay, and do the correction 3 times. Have you understood? Okay, now look at the first word. First word was depleted. D-E-P-L-E-T-E-D, depleted. Okay, see, check the word if you have written it right or wrong. If it is right, give it right. If it is wrong, give it wrong, and write the correct word beside the wrong word. Okay, and do the correction later on. Okay, now second word was S-E-E-P-S, seeps. Okay, it was seeps. If you have written seep, if you have missed out the plural S, then too it is wrong, because it is seeps, and seep has a little bit different pronunciation. So if it is seeps, give it right. If you have missed out the S, give it wrong, so that next time you will be very, very alert while giving the dictation. Okay. Third word, economically, economically. Okay, little bit bigger word, and that is called dictation. Dictation is always of hard words, yes or no? So economically. Okay, now fourth word was reservoirs, reservoirs. Here also I had told you plural, so reservoirs, S should be there. If no S is there, give it wrong. Okay, so you will understand your mistake and you will be more careful while giving dictation next time. Okay, check the fourth word. Now check your fifth word. B-U-N-D-S, bunds. Here also S is there, so be careful while checking. Okay, now sixth word was P-O-H-R-A, pohra. Okay, a new word for you, yes or no? Pohra. Seventh word was E-A-R-T-H-E-N, earthen. If it is right, give it right. If it is wrong, give it wrong, and write the correct spelling. Okay. Eighth word was P-A-N-P-O-I, panpoi. Now here if you have written plural, panpois if you have written, then also it is wrong. You are going to give panpoi only right. Okay. Ninth word, E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y, electricity. Look at the word. If it is right, give right. Wrong, then wrong. Be genuine and be truthful. And the last word, I-N-S-T-I-T-U-T-I-O-N-S, institutions. Here it is plural. So if you all have missed out S, give it wrong. If not, then it is right. Okay. Institutions was the last word. Now you all can check how much you all have got. If it is all the words are correct, give 10 out of 10 and write very good. From my side, write very good. If you have got 7, 8 or 9, write it as good. Okay. And if you have got 5, less than 5, then you write it as can do better. Okay. If you have got less than 5, like you have got from marks 1 to 5, then write can do better and work hard also, right? And if you have got 6, 7, write good. And if you have got 8, 9, 10, think 6, 7, 8, write good. If you have got 9 and 10, write very good. Okay? Is that clear? Now see, I have all the words are there. Can you see it on the screen? See, all the 10 words are there. Okay, first one was depleted, second one was seeps, third one was economically, fourth one was reservoirs, fifth one was bunds, sixth one was pohra, seventh one was earthen, eighth one was panpoli, ninth one was electricity, and 10th one was institutions. Now children, here I have not used anywhere capital letters. Whenever you are giving dictation of any subject, you should not use capital letter for any word. If you begin the word with a capital letter, then also it is wrong, because you remember in school we checked the teachers cut your marks if you have written capital letters. So in dictation, whether it is of EVS, whether it is of English, you should not use capital letters anywhere. See, even I have not used any capital letters. Okay. So if you have done in today's dictation, if anywhere you have written capital letter, give it as, you circle that first word which you have written capital and give it as wrong. So next time you will keep it in mind that I don't have to use capital letters in dictation. Is that clear? So this is the end of your dictation of EVS 1 lesson number 3. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed giving dictation today, and practice more and more. If you have got wrong if any words are wrong, write it how many times? 3 times. Okay, thank you for watching this video carefully. Goodbye, take care.